Hey everyone, so I have a shopping purchase from Maje, and Maje is something that in terms of clothing they always make the most flattering clothes ever, and I just love their clothes because it's got that French Parisian theme to it, so kind of like Sandro, and they are actually sister brands, so Sandro and Maje are sisters to each other, and Maje is just more of that girly and more fun twist to it, so they are a lot more colourful and brighter pops of colour. I went shopping in K11 and I just fell in love with this dress from Maje, and this is a kind gift from my mum and I just love it. And inside we have the tissue paper, and then it also says Maje on there, so it's really cute. And here we have the beautiful pink dress. This is kind of more of that peachy pink, and I just love it because as soon as you touch it, my goodness, this is the softest material ever, and as soon as I put it on in the changing rooms, it just looked really, really nice. So it's got this pattern to it, and you can kind of see the M's for Maje, but it's very, very subtle. So you can't really make out a clear logo out of this, but I just love it. It's not like the current dress I'm wearing today where it just has M's all over it, but you can kind of see the resemblance of the pattern of the two. So that's really, really nice. And when you look at the edges, you can see that it has a more just simple collar design, and it really keeps you warm. And the shape of this dress is actually a bit more of a skater style dress, but it tapers down, so it's very, very flattering, and it really gives you that illusion of a slim waist. So then we have the sleeves, and it really tapers down, and at the ends you have a more wider sleeve, so that it kind of gives that princess sleeve theme, a bit like this one where it has a more puffy sleeve but then it kind of cuffs at the end. This one is more of an open sleeve and it's very, very stretchy. This whole dress is very stretchy, so it will be more flexible in terms of the fit. I got a size 36 and that's what I usually wear in Maje. And this dress that I'm wearing is also a size 36, so that hasn't changed for me. And then at the bottom we have the little button details. There are 2 pockets, and these buttons, they're not like the thread it through button. It's actually a popper button here, and inside the pocket you can fit your hands to keep it warm in there, so it's very comfortable. And then at the bottom you have this nice little detail here where it just has the plain white but then the peach lining, so similar to the collar but with an added peach. And when you put this on, it just keeps you warm over the winter, and I just love it so much. So this is a very, very quick unboxing of this beautiful Maje dress, and I style it with my Chanel Classic Flat because the pink and pink, it's just a girly color to die for, and I love it so much. So that is my quick unboxing. I know it's a very, very short one, but I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you want to see the shopping mall that I bought this dress from, then click over here, and it's one of my vlogmases, so I'll see you there. Bye.